Hello YouTube team. My name is Abdul and my channel name is Abdul Official. And here is my YouTube channel link. Dear YouTube team, few days ago I have received an email that your monetization has been cancelled due to reuse content. Dear YouTube team, I have uploaded 27 videos so far and many other shorts which I have created according to YouTube policy stated by YouTube itself. YouTube team, now I am going to show you how I edit my videos. This is the application which I use to create my videos. You can see. Dear YouTube team, I hope you will enable to my monetization. All videos which I have uploaded at my YouTube channel are my original videos. All videos and shorts which I have created and edited by my own self at Canva app, which you can see. This is my channel and all videos are my original videos. Again, thank you so much.